Hey guys, JC Peretz here of allstarcharts.com. I'm here in beautiful Orlando, Florida with some of our friends here from Trade Stocks. Shout out Trade Stocks. So the trade of the week is going to come from our unusual option scan. So what we're looking for are big, heavy bets by some of the world's largest institutions. These are very aggressive bets on the long side and the short side. And we've seen a lot of divergences from particularly from the intermarket standpoint, bonds rolling over, some commodities rolling over, things like lumber and copper are suspect. So the overwhelming amount of evidence is that we want to continue to short stocks. Pinterest is one of them. We want to be short Pinterest, P-I-N-S, only if the stock is below 59. So that's the level. Big time put activity coming in, a lot of bearish flow on the option side. So it's sending all sorts of bells and whistles. And then when we look at the chart, it's like, all right, we have a clean level, 59. We only want to be short if we're below 59 with a target of 40. And that is Pinterest. And we are going short the stock, P-I-N-S. So if you like this, make sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button below. I am your host, JC Peretz of All Star Charts, and make sure to say what's up on the interwebs at All Star Charts on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, YouTube, and Clubhouse. Thanks, guys.